Had this car a year. Procrastinating. I'm trying to find one of these at a decent price. And actually for an Avant. And that's the main problem. When you're searching for these, if these are not there, it's not for an Avant. It's the wrong one. So you have to make sure that you are looking at the right thing. If you do not see a picture on the back, don't buy it. It's just no good. Or you got to tell them, hey, listen, shoot a picture of the back. You're looking for these four bolts in the back of it. On the sedan or the saloon, it doesn't have that. They're actually screw-ins. They're opposite. This also, it's bizarre. I don't remember. I had this on my all road, and I don't remember cutting this thing out, but I guess I did. You know what I mean? It's just kind of bizarre to me that the Europeans only had it on one side and we didn't, and we actually had the two. So I finally have this thing. This thing's been like loose forever. There we go. It's dirty back there. Never fully taken it out. This is not in bad shape considering. I have seen. Oh, look at that. I have seen guys actually polish these out. This one's in pretty decent shape. Not too much bubbling in there. But you know what? Some wackos are asking like $400 for these, and just crazy amounts of money for these, unfortunately. Yeah, this one's not so good there. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. Maybe I can brush this thing. This was also messed up, suppose. I'm not worried about that. That's easy stuff to fix. The wiring or whatever. That's what it said on the ad, but I doubt it. This will look a lot better. I also do find it funny, like dummies, what they do not do is, I see a lot of Audi guys with European plate brackets, and then they just have that. Why would you do that? Let's put the license plate in there, and then drill it in. These geniuses can't figure out how to do this. That's all you do. I think I got a couple plates. Let's see. Yeah, screw it. I'll take them all. I forget what's on the front of this. I know I have a matching plate for it, though. I definitely do. I do like my, what do you call it, so, not gonna lie. I like my templates. Hey, there it is. This is a real nice plate, actually. It's a shame I got messed up. It's a nice one. These, I can't find this anymore either. I don't know. Friggin' sucks. They don't have it anymore. It used to be so common to buy them, but not anymore. Yeah, so I'm going to do matching plates, of course. I'll figure out what plate's going where, if I'm going with D's or I'm just going to go with temps. But yeah, looks like what? This thing is messed up? I know, just a little cruddy. Throw some LEDs in here. I definitely have other ones of those. If not, I could always strip it out of there. Not a big deal. But yeah, it's time to get this car kind of in shape. It's a real shame. Just been sitting. Nothing wrong with it. Just haven't had time to really do much with it. Black S4 is over there now. And just in general, maybe I'm just too slow about some of these things. But, one of the things was I wanted to buy this car and at least obtain it because it's the right color combinations to me. I love these colors. So I wanted to make sure at least I owned it. I mean, it's been covered up. It's been at the other zone of deep storage. So, yeah, really, it's funny, too. There's really not much to do with this car. Oh, yeah, that's right. I have, and I will put in here, going over this morning on this particular car video, I finally got in my APR, not APR, I'm sorry, 034 Motorsport motor mounts. Got those. I got the tranny mounts. I got diff change. I'm going to do a tranny change. That's going to fluid change. That's going to be a lot of fun. Let's just blow up that tranny. Got the gasket. Got everything. This I just also bought too. European headlight switch. Doubt it's going to work, but just like the way it looks. I don't even know if it'll plug in right. We'll see. And what it's supposed to do is, this one is supposed to control the xenons going up and down. That'd be cool if that worked. I'm sorry, I still like the xenons. It's old school. I like when you first start them up and they go brighter. That glow of blue. I mean, the visibility sucks, but still, I like it. And those headlights that I have on this particular car They're in really nice shape. They're like crystal clear. I don't even care that it's not European headlights or whatever. But yeah, it's about that time to start getting this ride in order. Maybe go to, they've been having some, what do you call it? Some cooler New York City sort of car shows. So maybe I'll just go over there. You know, not everything's the same. You know, GT3 RSs and Lambos, even though they are over there, of course. You know, it's funny. People are calling these things, like those cars, exotics. They're not exotics. Sorry, they're like everyday Instagram cars. They're like really boring, if you ask me. They just don't do anything. But their other selections of cars over there are pretty impressive to me. Just like everyday normal cars, like older Mercedes, some older like Range Rover, two doors, stuff like that, and a couple Audi guys also, which it's nice to see. Nobody's got an S6. Guy with a S2 Avant, he goes to it a lot. They do it like sometimes on Saturdays, Sundays, but they've been really consistent, even doing it, which is crazy to me, in the snow. I just never seen anything like it. So yeah, that's why I'm like, you know what? Let me get this car going. Let me get the European plates on here. And you know, I never even buffed this car. It's crazy. It's just been basically underneath the cover. Oh, ME is this plate? All right, let me see if I have another one. If not, I'll just switch it to something else. I mean, I got red calipers on this car, so I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll go with the D's. Who knows? We'll figure it out.